Hello, today I'm in Dacia Sandero. In this video I'll show you how to activate Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via USB cable. Let me connect my smartphone right now. Okay, and once it's connected, take a look at the screen display and go to menu. Go to smartphone integration and select Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Continue, and that's basically it. Thanks to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you can use maps, settings, phone calls, YouTube music, navigation and voice assistant. To disable Android Auto, go to Settings, go to Apps and select Dacia. To enter Android Auto, select Android Auto or Apple CarPlay from the menu. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.